Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmal Software and today I'm going to explain you how to add leads against customer. So let's start. Just click on sales module, then open new customer leads submodule. Then just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can export multiple leads data through export to CSV option. To create new lead, just click on add lead option. Just enter your company name. I'm just adding test company. Then add point of contact. Then add email. Select country. I've selected India. And then just save it. Your new lead will be created. And you can easily view it and delete that entry through these actions. You can also email, add activity logs, and convert leads to the customer from these actions. And you can quick search your leads through these filters and refresh it through refresh button. Thank you. If you get any queries to add leads, please get in touch with us at contact us at the redsunmosoftware.com.